The stocks discussed on Phil's Gang are not in any way a recommendation or solicitation to buy, sell, or hold. If considering acting on information presented, we first recommend you seek out a competent, licensed professional for advice. Get ready for the radio show that tells you what Wall Street doesn't want you to know.
Oh, I'm a money magnet. Money, money, money's coming to me. Money sets me free. I'm a money magnet. Money, 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 money's coming to me.
It's your daily dose of how to manage your money. And now it's time for Phil's Gang on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. With your host, Phil Grandy.
In a rising stock market, what it means is that corporations are doing better, which means more jobs, more income, rising wages, more investment, more growth. So the bottom line is the stock market helps more people than most people say, and it also signals better times ahead.
This market on fire.
You know, the fundamental construct of the market remains pretty good.
We have this robust economy that's seemingly doing better.
Again, another new record high for stocks.
So I think the fundamentals are in place to take the market higher.
It's also fantastic for Main Street.
I think you see economic growth stay above 3%.
And watch the economy grow at 4%.
I feel like I'm taking crazy pills!
You know, Cuddle at the very end said, the economy's going to grow 4%. Then why did he say that? Why does he say that when, in fact, the Atlanta Fed just downgraded the economy, downgraded the growth, the GDP? They first said it was going to be at 4.5%. They kept downgrading it. Now it's below 3%, something like 2.6%, and they're going to downgrade it again. So why are they downgraded if everyone's telling the economy's doing terrific? Because they're looking at the stock market. That's why, because everybody believes the stock market is the economy. And if you look at the people on the stupid bench, this stupid bench is getting longer and longer. The stock market, believe me, has nothing to do with the economy. But you got to ride the stock market. My gang, I've had my gang, and especially the members who follow my stock, my MV2 stock video stocks with the S&P, SPY, they're doing terrific. We're already up over 10% already, 10% return. And we've had to do nothing except follow my instructions on my video stock. Just stay in it. Up a 10% return, doing nothing. Incredible. Because this market is just so manipulated to go to the upside. And anybody that's not in this market is insane. Look what's happening to the bond market. People are getting crushed. They're getting their faces ripped off of the bond market. I mean, just terrible what's happening to the people in the bond market. And how can you stay in the bond market when you got the Atlanta Fed downgrading the economy? So here's what we got. We got the stock market is booming, going straight up. But we have the economy, if you really dig into it, is not going straight up. It's decelerating. It's going down. And if it wasn't going down, then why, again, did the Atlanta Fed downgrade its projection, the fourth quarter economic GDP, from 4.5% to where it's now been revised down twice, 3.2 to 2.7, and probably the final one be 1.9. Why are they doing that? It's insane. But the gold today, and I've had my gang in gold, I kept begging my gang members, look, please, I've been begging you. I said, why don't you join my gang? Just follow my stock video. Follow my stock video on gold, on the mining stocks. And they're going through the roof. They're going through the roof. So today we're looking at the market. The market's up again 200 points today. It doesn't stop. Now remember, the stock market isn't up 200 points. And we're not up to busting through 25,000 on our way to 30,000 because companies are doing better, because people are out working and making good wages and they're saving and then they're out consuming. No. People are having real trouble. Main Street's having trouble. Their wages aren't going up. Went up last year 9 cents. 9 cents. Wages aren't going up. People don't get good jobs. We don't have good jobs. We've got 95 million people unemployed. I told you yesterday the only reason the unemployment rate fell from 10% to 4.1% because they don't count the millions of discouraged workers. We have 2.4 million people who leave the market, who leave because they can't find a good job. They're working lousy jobs. They're working multiple jobs. So they drop out. Say, I'm out. I'm going to go. I'll get on welfare. And when they drop out, they don't report them. They don't report them as unemployed. So the more people that drop out of the market, the worse the economy is, the better the number. Think about that. Isn't that insane? The more people that can't find a good job, and believe me, and I told you, I'll give credit to Trump when he deserves it, and I'll give him hell when he should. And if you look at what's going on, I hate to admit this, but if you take Obama's 8 years, take half of those, he grew the economy much better than Trump has in his first year. Boy, I hate saying that, but I'm not going to lie. No, not like Maria Bartiromo and the rest of them. I mean, Maria Bartiromo's cheerleading is just unbelievable.
This market, on fire.
It's unbelievable. They won't tell the truth. You can't grow the economy when you have debt. And for her to say we're on fire, yes, the market is on fire. The economy is not on fire. If the economy was on fire again, they would not take and downgrade our growth. We wouldn't have a divergence. We have one of the most serious divergence where we have a stock market accelerating and we have our economy, our economic GDP decelerating. Oh, but they don't talk about that. But what do I say to my gang? Get out of the market? No. I got my people in the market. They're in the right stocks. Again, I tell them every day in the spiders, I said, just strap on yourself on that bull, put your spurs on, and just keep riding that bull. Don't get off that bull until I tell you. Because there's so much corruption in this market that Trump has taken this market over now, and that's all he's focusing on. He's certainly not focusing on some of his promises. One of his promises was debt. Remember? His platform, his whole platform was he was going to cut debt. He's not cutting debt. He's going to cut deficits. His whole promise, I will be your president. I'll be the first president to cut deficits. I'm going to make massive cuts. I'm going to make, his superlatives, massive, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful deficits. Huge, huge, beautiful, massive deficits. That's what's happening. He didn't do that. Trump's not doing that. He got elected. He's not doing that. Here, the government just collected $770 billion. Think about this. Most of this is coming from you and me, the people. Not corporations, just the folks. $770 billion he collects in the first quarter of 2018. The guy who promised he was going to make huge, huge, beautiful, massive cuts. $700 billion, and you want to know what? We're running a deficit. He took in $770 billion, and we're in the hole, $225 billion. We spent $225 billion more than we took in, which was $770 billion. Wait a minute. That's nuts. And most of the $770 billion that the government collected from us, it came from individuals. It was about $400 billion from individuals. The rest was the rest of the corporations and so forth. The government's spending $3.3 trillion in tax. They're spending much more than the revenue they're collecting. No, I'm sorry. They're spending almost $4 trillion and they're collecting $3.3 trillion with a deficit of $600 billion. In other words, remember, each hour they're burning 10 billion. They're billing 10 billion a day. They're burning, or 7 million a minute, or each hour. By the time I finish this show, they would have burned 435 million.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Hi, my name is Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. Most people would love to be in the stock market, but they're scared, not being in, They're scared about not getting out in time. Well, that is over, because now you can join Phil's gang and my stock video program and follow me with specific stock on the video, and you will be out in time.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
Hi, my name is Phil Graney, philsgang.com. Most people would love to be in the stock market, but they're scared not being in. They're scared about not getting out in time. Well, that is over, because now you can join Phil's gang and my stock video program and follow me with specific stock on the video, and you will be out in time.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG.
Hi, my name is Phil Graney, philsgang.com. Most people would love to be in the stock market, but they're scared not being in. They're scared about not getting out in time. Well, that is over, because now you can join Phil's gang and my stock video program and follow me with specific stock on the video, and you will be out in time.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
The stock market is at an all-time high and continues to go up, up, up. We want to keep it going.
What a great time to join philsgang.com and take advantage of Phil's MV2 video program. Phil picks the stocks. You watch the videos, follow Phil's instructions, and make profits. It's an easy way to be invested in the market with no time involved. Sign up at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. And join Phil's gang today. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com. Thousands of investors trust philsgang.com to deliver the tools and resources they need to invest with confidence. With the Philsgang MaxVest 1000 stock charts, you have the power to create highest quality, color-coded, easy-to-read charts in just a few simple clicks. Designed specifically for technical analysis and investing, the Philsgang MaxVest 1000 stock chart seamlessly integrates and functions on mobile, tablet, desktop, and web devices. Isn't it time you leave behind the old stock research routine, spending hours reading websites, out-of-date newsletters, and magazines? Instead, subscribe to the Philsgang MaxVest 1000 stock charts and plan your entire investment strategy. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264, and we'll see you on the charts. Welcome back. This segment is brought to you by the MaxVest 1000 stock charts. For more information, go to philsgang.com.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. You know, so while everybody's trying to convince us the economy is doing terrific, it's not. And the evidence, of course, is the Atlanta Fed downgraded our economic GDP. People can't get good jobs. And the problem is, again, with the national debt, our deficits, which always you have to add them to the national debt. When we spent we spent $225 billion now, more than we took in for the first quarter of 2018. Now that gets added to the national debt. And remember what Trump's promises were to cut the various deficits. Why? Because deficits, especially when you in debt, especially when we have such a trade deficit, the worst one, which I'm the only one who talks about it. Nobody talks about it because nobody wants to bring it up. That's one of the worst. But when you have a national debt that keeps growing, here's the truth. First of all, the older generation screws the younger generation. That's right. You, the younger generation, get screwed today when we had to add $225 billion deficit, okay, to the $20 trillion debt. You, the young people, we, the old people, here I am in my 70s, I'm going to shift it away to you guys, the young guys. You get screwed by us, the older guys. How about that? The baby boomers, the big baby boomers. And here's what happens to you. The higher the national debt, because of the deficits, because of the trade deficits, all these that Trump said he was going to cut, and after a year, they didn't go down, they've gone up. And that means you're not going to be able to satisfy the needs, your basic needs like food, housing, rental, clothing, education, health. Why? Because it reduces your future income, your living standard, because your wages go down. Part of the national debt increasing is wages go down. When you have the trade deficit, wages go down, jobs go down. Also, it causes Congress to raise the marginal tax rate again. Why do you think? They screwed us, and they gave the corporations their tax cuts permanently. Not ours. Not ours. Ours are not permanent because they know they have to raise the marginal tax rate on us. Because why? Because of the deficits that increase the national debt. And the higher the national debt, it causes much smaller returns on your savings, your pensions, your fixed income products. You get killed if you got savings. In fact, what do? They lower your savings rate so they can keep interest rates low, as close to zero as they can, so they can take care of Wall Street, so they can buy stocks to make sure the stock market's going up, especially stock buybacks, so they can convince you while you're sitting on the stupid bench that, oh, that's the economy. See, the market went up another 200 points today. That's the economy. Isn't that crazy? And remember, it's just crazy.
We have almost an $800 billion a year trade deficit with other nations. Unacceptable.
Yeah, he didn't do anything about it. Not a thing. You see, Maria Bartiromo and the rest of these jibber jabbers, they never mention the sectors of our economy that contributes to this great economic growth. This great economy that's on fire.
This market, on fire.
Yeah. Why is it on fire? Why don't they mention the sectors of our economy that makes it on fire? Why don't all the other guys?
You know, the fundamental construct of the market remains pretty good.
We have this robust economy that's seemingly doing better.
Again,
yeah, why? Well, let's go to the sectors that contributes to our economic GDP growth number. which right now is less than 3%. It's at 1.8%. You know what they are? You're going to laugh. Auto sales, student loans, and credit cards. The credit card industry, the auto industry, the student loan industry, that is the basis. That underpins our economy. And these are the weakest sectors of our economy with the most debt, with the most delinquencies, and these make up 68.7% of our economy. What, are you nuts? This is crazy. We have a debt that's climbing faster, 60% faster than your wages. So what do? Make money. Join me to make money. Valero, for God's sakes. I've had my gang in Valero since September. We got into Valero around $76. Today it's $96. 24%. I said, look, how about I've said forever, I give my gang, I think, which are the best refiners. You want to be in refiners. That's where the money is, because they have dividends. The refiners are the best. MRO, Marathon, it's up 35%. MRO, 35%. I'm not making this stuff up. Now, again, I'm not saying every gang member, made 35% on MRO. Maybe some made 10, maybe some made 5. But the minute it turned green, and I told them to buy, that was their opportunity. When they get in, it's up to them. More oil, XCS. Look at oil. Oil's taking off. You know, oil's over $60 right now. And who was the first one in these oils? Me. XCS, one of my favorite refiners, up 26%. Again, I'm not saying every gang member got 26%. Maybe they got 10%. Let's do this. Let's say MRO is up 35, XCS is up 26, Valero's up, 24%. Let's say they were all up 10%. How's that? Let's cut them down from 35, from 26 to 24, 10%. Maybe you'll believe me. Now, I've got a stock that is perfect for my stock videos that I'm going to do tonight. You join me right now, the gang. It's $39.95. And I got an incredible stock, brand new stock I'm picking out for my MV2 stock videos. And you're going to love it. I'll tell you what it is when I get back.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
I'm Phil Grandy at philsgang.com. You know, most people have been watching the stock market go up, up, and up. Well, guess what? There's one problem. When you get out, most people don't get out in time, and that's why you lose money. Well, I've solved that. With my video stock program, I pick the stock, put it on the video, tell you when to get in and when to get out. Join my video program.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy at philsgang.com. You know what the biggest problem with the stock market and why people stay out of the market? Because they don't know when to get out. Well, those days are over. I have a new system. It's called the MV2 Video Stock System. I choose one stock. You follow that video, do exactly what I tell you. I tell you to buy, you buy. When I tell you add on, you add on. When I tell you to sell, you sell. When I tell you to run like hell, you do.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Phil Grandy is a career businessman who has also been an entrepreneur all his life. He has used his business skills to take companies on the abyss of bankruptcy and bringing them back to profitability. Phil has been honored by Inc. magazine for the 500 fastest growing privately held companies and has been recognized with the prestigious Entrepreneur of the Year award. From the real estate to gas and oil industries to the stock market, Phil Grandy has mastered his line of business from start to finish. And with a passion and desire to make you a profitable investor, only Phil teaches you and guides you to make informed, unemotional investment decisions. And you'll gain the knowledge of what Wall Street doesn't want you to know. If you want to learn from the best and strengthen your ability to invest, then turn to Phil Grandy and philsgang.com. Simply call Phil's Gang at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com.
I'm Phil Grandy at philsgang.com. You know, most people have been watching the stock market go up, up, and up. Well, guess what? There's one problem. When you get out, most people don't get out in time, and that's why you lose money. Well, I've solved that. With my video stock program, I pick the stock, put it on the video, tell you when to get in and when to get out. Join my video program.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Look, the stock market is up over 230% in the past 8 years. Why aren't you investing? If you're considering investing in the stock market but are not sure where to invest, what sectors, what stocks to buy, or how to get started, then contact philsgang.com today. At philsgang.com, we make investing easy to see what's really happening in the markets. With the Phil's Gang membership, you gain complete access to all of Phil's most powerful investing tools, videos, and resources. Short on time? No problem with the Phil's Gang MV2 video stocks. You follow right along with Phil's investing recommendations and make profits. That's right, just log in, watch the videos, and gain the knowledge that it takes to make real profits in the stock market. Contact Phil's Gang today. Call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Or simply go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com.
I'm Phil Grandy at philsgang.com. You know, most people have been watching the stock market go up, up, and up. Well, guess what? There's one problem. When you get out, most people don't get out in time, and that's why you lose money. Well, I've solved that. With my video stock program, I pick the stock, put it on the video, tell you when to get in and when to get out. Join my video program.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
The stock market is at an all-time high and continues to go up, up, up. We want to keep it going.
What a great time to join philsgang.com and take advantage of Phil's MV2 video program. Phil picks the stocks. You watch the videos, follow Phil's instructions, and make profits. It's an easy way to be invested in the market with no time involved. Sign up at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. And join Phil's Gang today. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com. Welcome back. This segment is brought to you by the MaxVest 1000 stock charts. For more information, go to philsgang.com. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. Listen to this.
People's 401ks and their stock portfolios certainly make people feel good. There's certainly a wealth effect. I think what you're seeing right now is a global sink in growth in GDP.
It's unbelievable. The 401k is the worst product in the world. Worst product. It's nothing but a big ripoff. It's the biggest skimming operation in the world. You pay 21. Think about this. You pay 21 cents on every $1,000 when you're with a spider. Guess what you pay with a 401k? $4.45. That's why you can't make money. I gave you an example yesterday. If you put in something like, I think it was like, I'll try to find. I don't give you wrong. It's a beautiful. Going to, you know, when I did this. Up 60%. Tonight I'm So while they're busy, they don't have to do a thing. They just follow me. But they should follow my charting, what I do. And they get their own MV2 chart and they put their own stocks on, get the family involved. This is where you're going to make money. You're not going to make money. I'm telling you, you're not going to make money with a 401k. So PISA, I'll say, when it hits 61.96, I want you to get in. Today I said, everybody buy PISA, just go in with a scout. Couple shares. That's it, couple shares. You go, well, you can't make money with a couple shares. That's not the reason for a scout. Go sit on the stupid bench. That's not the reason. A scout gets you engaged. The scout is the psychological. It's to get you in so you're not sweating bullets. It's to get you in, get you engaged, feel comfortable. So when the stock goes up to, I'll say when the stock gets up to 61.96, now I'll add to it. Because you're already in, even with one share, you won't hesitate. And you'll add to your position. If you don't do that, it gets up to 61.96, you're going to hesitate. Say, well, I'm going to wait tomorrow, see if it does any better. Then in the next morning, it gaps up to 63. Then you hesitate. Then it gaps up to 65. Then finally you buy it at 65. What are you, nuts? And then the next day it comes down. And you say, every time I get into a stock, it goes down. Every time I get in, it goes down. Because you're not entering right. If you follow what I'm saying, when to get in, follow my instructions, when to add. The only thing I don't tell you is how many shares to add, because that's subjective. And then when I tell you to take some off, you take it off. When I tell you, hey, let's run like hell, you run like hell. So here, this one here, and I have one more that we've been working. GE I've been talking about GE every day. GE is starting to work, and Merck. And right now, I think Merck and PZZA will be the winners. I really do. So you're not late on these. So tonight, join over the weekend. And I'll tell you what I'll do. What is it now? It's 3:39. I'll let you to 5 o'clock get a free MV2, my color chart. And you can follow it right on your own color chart. How's that? And I'll give it to you for 1 month. It's $29. You get it for a month for free. So you join the gang right now, and it stops at 5 o'clock. Here's the number, 877-600-GANG. Follow me on these two stocks, Merck and PZZ. PZZ is, what is it? Papa John's. Okay. All right. So there you have it. So the next time when you hear me say, if you don't join, you're going to hear me go, all right, remember we got in PZZA? It's up 13%. Remember we got into, I told you get into Merck? It's up 24%. And you're going to go, oh, I remember when he said that. Yeah, same thing when I said get into GDX, and you didn't. And now it's up 12%. Okay, again, this is a great opportunity. I will shut off the free chart at 5 o'clock Eastern time. All right, so let's get back to what's going on here. All right, so again, everybody's all excited. But do you want to know something what's interesting? The yield on the 10-year Treasury is soaring, and that is dropping the dollar. Yields are going up. Why are yields going up? Because everybody's getting out of the bond market. If you're in the bond market, you're getting your face ripped off because everybody is telling you how great the economy is. You hear the cheerleading every day. You got people telling you it's on fire. You got people that are telling you that everything is wonderful. The narrative is out there. They're convincing everybody.
You know, the fundamental construct of the market remains pretty good.
We have this robust economy that's seemingly doing better.
Again, another new record.
So this is all you hear every day. But guess what? If you know what you're doing like I do, a professional, I sit there and I see it's not true because our economic growth is decelerating. And we can see our wages aren't going up. We see what's going on. But we don't care because we want to get in the market. Let this narrative, let this fake narrative be there. Just like didn't they do that with housing? Wasn't that a fake narrative? You lost all your money with housing. Wasn't it a fake narrative about the hot .com? And who was saying the .coms were on fire?
This market on fire.
The same idiot, Maria Fardaroma. The same one. Same one. Now she's back. Same thing. And anytime that she comes out and says the market's on fire, that's when you start selling the market. That's when you start selling. All right. But we will ride it, just like our S&P. We're up 10% in the S&P. And we'll keep riding it because we will know when to get out. The biggest fear, people don't know when to get out. So take Wells Fargo. The yields went up. The dollar's going down. And as the yield goes up, Wells Fargo, the backbone of their business is writing mortgages. And guess what? Their mortgage department's getting killed. And today their numbers were dreadful. They came out and reported their earnings. Dreadful. Because the problems having with the banks, they love yields going up because they make more money. But that'd be fine if wages were going up. But when yields go up, people can't afford the mortgage payment. So mortgages, people aren't buying houses because mortgage rates are going up. And it's just like the same thing. You got debt. People's debt are going up 60% more than their wages. And I have to laugh when you hear these people say how everything's wonderful. So yes, the market's going to go up. They're going to force it up. And so stay with the market. Join right now. Get your free video. Get your free MV2 chart for a month. And you know what makes me laugh is this whole economy is auto sales, student loans, and credit cards. Are you nuts? When I get back, I'm going to tell you which states make up the largest economy of this country, of our $17 trillion, and how are we going to make money off of that?
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Hi, my name is Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. Most people would love to be in the stock market, but they're scared not being in. They're scared about not getting out in time. Well, that is over because now you can join Phil's Gang and my stock video program and follow me with a specific stock on the video, and you will be out in time.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy of philsgang.com. You know what the biggest problem with the stock market and why people stay out of the market? Because they don't know when to get out. Well, those days are over. I have a new system. It's called the MV2 Video Stock System. I choose one stock. You follow that video, do exactly what I tell you. I tell you to buy, you buy. When I tell you add on, you add on. When I tell you to sell, you sell. When I tell you to run like hell, you do.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Phil's Gang and Choice Trade are separate and unrelated companies. Choice Trade does not provide any investment advice or recommend or endorse any particular security or investment strategy. At philsgang.com, we're always striving to understand our members' needs. And for over 18 years, Phil'sGang.com has met the goals to educate and inform investors how to make the most of your money and your choices. That's why Phil Grandy and Phil'sGang.com has teamed up with Choice Trade, a leading online broker for stocks and options. Choice Trade has received 4 stars 6 times from Barron's in their annual survey of online brokers. Phil Grandy at Phil'sGang.com recommends Choice Trade as your online broker. For more information on Phil's Gang and opening an account with Choice Trade, go to Phil'sGang.com. That's Phil'sGang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. You love the Phil's Gang radio show and Phil's commentary? Then you should check out the Phil's Gang website and view our free material. Join Phil's Gang for only $39.95 a month. If you're a seasoned investor or know nothing about investing in the stock market, but are interested in generating extra income or securing your financial future, go to philsgang.com and get daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market data, alerts, investing guidance, and stock recommendations. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com today. Phil'sGang.com has taught thousands of people from all walks of life how to invest and make profits in the stock market. Phil'sGang.com can help you generate extra income, maximize your retirement financial savings, and teach you how to avoid costly investing mistakes. With the Phil's Gang membership, you get all the comprehensive stock research and data, analysis tools, Phil's recommendations, and the professional customer support you need to make smarter, more profitable investing decisions. Don't wait. Call today. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. Did you know Phil Grandy hosts a daily live stock market investing webinar class? Never miss a beat with the market and your investments. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG. Welcome back. Are you ready to make profits in the stock market? Why not check out philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. Here's the number, 877-600-GANG, 877-600-GANG. Get your free video, MV2 videos, the same MV2 video that I use for my stock program. So you join the gang, $39.95. You get this free. It's $29.95 for a month. And then when I give you this at night, I start posting the video what to do with specific stocks. Don't you do anything except what I tell you, and then follow it on the video. It's easy. And then soon you'll be so good with the MV2 video, you can start your family doing it. Never mind sending your kid off to the mall and so he spikes his hair up and puts a bell bar through his nose and his ears. Show him how he's going to make money. He's got to make money. But see, they're young. They don't care. They don't think about retirement. But now you're heading towards retirement. You're 55. You're 58. And you know I got to work the rest of my life. That's right. Well, I can't fix that for you. But I can help the pain, okay? I can help the pain. At least this program will catch you up a little bit. It will catch you up. And for people who are retired, who need a little money, why go work at Home Depot or somewhere part-time when you can take and just follow me tonight? We'll go PZZA, P-Z-Z-A, okay? We'll start with that. Follow me. Now, I don't know if it's going to go up like we did with GDX. GDX went up about 12%. I don't know. Maybe it will. I'm not guaranteeing anything. Nugget went up 41%. These are the ones I gave you last time. Now I'm going to start with this stock. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. But what you got to lose? I tell you every second what to do. That's all. I coach you right through it all day long. Okay, you just go on your video during the day, and then I change it. During the day, I tell you, what we're doing. It's so easy. So here's the number, 877-600-GANG. They're here in Sarasota, taking your number right now. So call, and I'm going to shut off the free part, the video, the MV2 video, the MV2 chart at 5 o'clock tonight. Okay, so let's get started. 877-600-GANG. Again, Maria Bartiromo never mentions how candidate Trump got elected. Never talks about his promises, how he would cut deficits, and how he's not cutting deficits. And that's what's going to kill us. We will never reach a 3-4%. And if you think we are, then ask yourself the question, why this week did the Atlanta Fed cut our economic growth rate from 4.5% to 3.2%, and this week down to 2.7%, and then it's going to be down to 1.9%, because you can't have deficits and grow the economy. You just can't do it. It's impossible. And here's what I really hope. I hope, and I pray, he's been taking credit for this stock market, right? Let him take credit for it. But he better not take credit for the fact that our non-petroleum good part of our trade deficits, other than oil, the non-petroleum, those are hitting new highs, right? I don't want him to take credit for the oil, because it's fracking. It was the fracking that helped lower our economic, the trade deficit between us and the people we buy oil from, 5 countries, because it was fracking that helped lower the trade deficit. That's good. It's good. That's good. Trump had nothing to do with it, but he'll come out and say it was him. Okay? We need more energy independence, and I give Trump credit. He's opening up a lot of areas for drilling. Terrific. These other guys like Obama shut everything down. He's opening. That's terrific, but it's going to take years. Before we see any benefits. But at least he's starting. Give him credit. But then yell at him and slam him for lying to us that he was going to cut the deficits. How the hell could he have his first quarter? Nobody's going to talk about it. His first quarter in 2018, he collects all these taxes, $270 billion, and he spent the first quarter of 2018, $225 billion more. What are you, nuts? But at least you got to say this. At least the trade deficit is going down because of the oil, because of fracking. Oil kills us. When we buy oil from 5 different countries, and that is killing us, and that's why our country can't grow, and that just makes you sick. Now, unfortunately, the non-petroleum trade deficit is soaring. It's $39 billion. What are you, nuts? That's crazy.
Are you kidding?
I mean, we can't grow when that's impossible to grow the economy. It just doesn't work. Just doesn't work. So anyways, if you're one of the people who got screwed by your financial advisor after the crash of 2008 and they put you into the bond market and now you're getting your face ripped off and you don't know what to do and you're losing money like incredible, get out, join my gang, and why don't you start with the MV2 video stocks that I put up every night. I always put up 2 or 3 every night, and I follow them for weeks and weeks as long as they're working. And if they don't work, we get out. If you do what I say, nothing more, nothing less, you will make money. I can change your life. I can change your financial life. I can get you a good night's sleep. I can. Try it. If it doesn't work, okay, fine. But the important thing is get your kids to learn how to do this. That's what's really important. And every day I watch the bond market for us because it's the bond market that tells us everything. When that bond market, you start seeing them selling off bonds and you start seeing the yield on the Treasury going up, that's a killer. That means the dollar's coming down. That also means the stock market's going to go up for a while. So take advantage of it. And then I will tell you when to get out. Nobody else will tell you to get out. Why would anybody tell you to get out when you're in a 401k? Why?
Our responsibility begins and ends with our partners and our shareholders, and that's it.
That's it. That's why they're not going to let you out. But I'll get you out in time. I'll get you out. And when there is a divergence where we have this high yield and weak dollar, when you see the treasuries going up and you see the dollar going down, yes, get in, take advantage of the stock market. It will go up for a while and then it will stop. It can't continue. It can't. Because a weak dollar indicates a weak market. What you need is somebody telling you when to get out. And that's what this chart does. And I will tell you, you don't even have to think about it. And most people they watching this market, they're going to get caught. They see it go up. They're all caught up in this hype. and nobody's looking out for them. Nobody. This is just like the other crashes. Everybody's in this euphoria. It's like cocaine. It's unbelievable. This stock market's turned to a cocaine market. I mean, it's unbelievable. People are just so high on this thing. And let me tell you, when we saw today Wells Fargo getting killed because people aren't going out and they're not getting mortgages. Why? Rates are going up too much and wages aren't. I'm telling you, it's our owners own that private bank called the cartel, called the Federal Reserve, and they continue to control the interest on our debt, which affects the quality of our life. Think about this. 147 individuals can control the quality of our life by leverage, by just pulling the lever to raise the interest rates up or to drop it. Are you kidding? They can batter the bond market anytime they want to get rich, and that's when they get rich. When they batter the bond market, and you can see it, yields going up. And they do that on purpose. They control the dollar. They can move that dollar down and that yield up anytime they want to batter the bond market to make them more rich in the stock market. And then you got to take advantage of that. Then you got to get into that market, and somebody's got to tell you when to get in and when to get out. Because remember, these raises and yields that we're seeing, we've never seen yields go up like this, especially on the 10-year Treasury. That automatically lowers the dollar, okay, that's in your wallet. It lowers the value. It's not backed by gold. It lowers it kills your CDs. Your T-bills it kills. So here it is, 877-600-GANG. Get your free video for the MB2 video. I mean, I'm sorry. You get your $39.95 for $39.95. You get your membership, and then you're going to get with that your free MV2 video, and then every night, okay, the MV2 video you're going to get that, and I'm going to, and that's going to be free just for 1 month. You get that chart, okay, and you'll love it, and you'll love following it. And then at the end of the month, I guarantee you'll keep it because, gee, I think I'll pick some of my own stocks and put it on the chart. All right, so here's the number, 877-600-GANG. Call before 5 o'clock tonight so you can get your free MV2 video stock chart.
You have been listening to Phil's Gang with your host, Phil Grandy, on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Remember to visit Phil's website at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or call the office, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.